computer science, there are types of for data. It's like a hamburger. Let's say we have a hamburger in front of us. So the hamburger is able to eat or is unable to eat. So the data types says the type of data. So like let's say we have number 12, and let's check the type of 12 is number. It says true. And let's say we there are strings cat, and the cat's type of cat is string true, and let's say the number 12 looks like a number, but actually the type is not number, false. They are false. So we can choose like a string, then it returns true. Yes, and this kind of data can be saved in variables. That variables like can be used like money. These variables save data, and then you can use whenever you want. So it can be named like a normal letters, or it could named like a $sign plus and string like this, or it can be named with underbar and string like this. Yes, but we can't name the variables like numbers and strings. It returns error, syntax error. So we should name like this. The answer is this line.